Okay, so I got the black lead to ground. This red lead is switched 12 volts. We get 12 volts. And this green one is the output from the AC. So it'll read 12 volts whenever the AC is off. When I set the fan speed to 1 or higher with AC on, it goes down to 3.3 volts. And I could change the fan speed and it'll still stay the same. And there it is, completely off. So if I look at the voltage difference between switch 12 volts and the AC signal, right now the AC is off. If I turn it on, okay, that's AC on. Fan speed 1, I can move it to fan speed 4, and we get 3.3 volts. With the 3.3 volts I get between the switched ignition and the AC signal line, I should be able to drive this LED that requires 1.2 volts, and I got it going through a 100 ohm resistor, so it should light up whenever the AC is on. So let's go ahead and do that. AC is on, full blast. It does not light up. And if I were to measure the voltage going through it carefully, oh, I get nothing. Okay, so I'm getting 3.6 volts. If I hook it up to the LED, nothing happens.